Hey guys, and welcome back to another banger. So today is the 12th of December, and like basically in this vlog we're just gonna be vlogging our weekend, like to spend the days with me, kind of. But yeah, it's gonna be the weekend and stuff, like just chilled vibes, just relaxed, nothing too big, nothing too hectic. Yeah, I've got a pretty good feeling about this. Like, what could go wrong? Okay guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on what content you guys would love to see, because at the end of the day you guys are the ones that are watching. And yeah, liar.
One eternity later.
So now it's like hours later. It's 4:30, and it's like 4:30 now, and we're finally leaving. So we're gonna go to Salt, and then like we might go on a side quest after, but I don't know. We'll see like what the vibe says during the day. Anyways, see you guys. So guys, we're at Salt right now. I had tacos. Mo had, what did you have?
Chicken wings.
He had chicken wings. I had tacos. This is my second one. And yeah, don't show them. Don't show them.
All I need is one more second chance, so I can show you that I love you till the end. SOS, SOS, I'm sending you that risky text tonight again. This time it's gonna be different. I'll tell you right.
His friend's house, but my cousin's friend's house, right? Yeah, I was just chilling and stuff, like it's just really relaxed. And yeah, so do you want to say anything?
Hi, Mihle's vlog. I'm Zazie. I'm her cousin. Are we twinning? We're not.
Hey guys, so I just got home now. I'm hella tired. Zoom in my face. I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. I asked PK to make me a pie right now. Like, I'm really so tired. What's the time? 11:46. It's 11:46. Guys, don't mind. Our content is a bit like bits and pieces, but you guys get the idea. You can fill in the blanks. Be creative with your imagination. Be creative. And yeah, I'm low-key feeling sick. Like low-key. Like, I'm not even joking. But yeah, man, another day, another dollar. Tomorrow is a new day. Start afresh, just chilled vibes, like relax. Anyways guys, so like I hope you guys stay tuned and like watch the video completely. We posting the camera, bro, the sound. Yeah, we posting on a regular. I got my TikTok. Make sure you tune into my TikTok. Yeah, tune into my TikTok. Mihle too real. You know what's up. You know those transitions. Let go. Then boom, it's the next day, the next morning. I'm wearing my bonnet and my pajamas again.
This is a strong blooper.
Lately I've been missing the way you walk. Lately I've been missing the way we talk. I'm so sick of missing the way we fuck. I gotta make it right now. If that means that we're going to bed, then I wanna stay up with you instead. All I need is one more second chance, so I can show you that I love you till the end. SOS, SOS, I'm sending you that risky text tonight again. Yeah, this time it's gonna be different. I'll do it right for you. This time it's gonna be different. I'll eat all night for you. This time it's gonna be different. I swear to you, I'll treat you right.
So guys, this is us before. We just came back from the mall. Now it's time for us to dip.
Shit, man. What? 20 years, 20 years. Hi. Walk. How long has it been?
Yeah, boy.
So say hi to the camera.
Who's this? Hi, camera. Bali vlog. Yeah, photo like you record YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube.
Let's get him.
And you finish, guys, are they taking cash or card?
Aska Patal. He'll take a ticket.
He has,
Oh,
two of us don't have. Say hi to the camera.
Say hi to you, vlog.
Shout out to Nathan.
No, figure yedwa yena here. But yena makiwe yefuna
You
park.
get a jacket.
What?
But I'm trying to collect all. I don't know if he might have somebody else.
Oh, she's a little mankazana apha sana.
So I'm
Yena man.
gonna take my
Yena man.
cousin's jacket.
Yeah, uzoyikhulula yena. Nani?
Guys, did you say hi to the camera?
I just like, hi there.
What's your name?
Still film, by the way.
So we had dance, and y'all having a good time. If you're on here, where are you? You hungry? Anyways, guys, we're gonna chill here for a while. Chill vibes. It's actually kind of dead, low key, but we're gonna make sure we have a blast. Yeah. Yes. Never see myself.
This is PK. Anyway, this is PK. Oh, PK. What? I've heard so much about that. Big fan. His name is Mo. Hi, Mo.
And the game won't
Dynamic duo. Dynamic 동전한 입조차 쉽고 일 없어 잠 못 들던 그때보다 조금은 일었어 우리는 바보처럼 몸으로 부딪히면서 배웠어 넘어질 때마다 일었어 다시 고쳤었지 이력서 눈부신 성공의 신바람 잠시나마 불어봤던 휘파람 한 곡도 채 끝나기 전에 그림자처럼 날 따라온 비바람 시기 질투 기대 압박을 못 이긴 몇 번의 실축 자만 나탐 속에 던졌던 말로 홈런을 맞는 실투 다 끝 난가 같았지만 우린 우리 앞길을 막지 말라고 외치며 마음을 다잡곤 했었지 진짜 한치 앞도 안 보이는 가시밭길에서도 절대 유턴 없이 잘 봐라 느리로 의지하면서 둘이 딱 붙어갔지 비극 지금 기가 아프지만 지나고 보면 웃음 나오는 희극 그래서 우린 지금을 참고 살아 난 미쳤다 생각하면서 keep dreaming 희망이란 끈 잡고 살아 이 험한 현실에서 아직 붙잡아두고 싶은 꿈 넘고 힘든 삶은 능선에서 때론 포기하고 싶은 꿈 너와 천천히 오래 걷고 싶어 until the end of time 지금 난 간절히 원해 한 조각의 peace of mind 헤야오 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 헤야오
100 million or you guys found the cure for cancer but no one knows you guys found the cure.
Cure for cancer. I do for cancer.
She's lying. She's lying.
Guys, I'm on my mind. You know what? It doesn't even matter.
Hey, now, before she said,
Need saving.
she said 100 million.
But this time, lie.
I have it on clip.
I don't remember that.
I have it on clip.
I don't remember she said.
Hey guys, so now we're actually gonna eat. Just like something quick.
Where you guys?
Yeah. I think we're gonna leave after this, like go home. My lashes hurt so bad.
Literally complete that now. Oh, okay.
Anyways, I saw a fine ship there.
And then we're gonna reach
And like I took a photo. My friends are gonna be so angry because I took a picture with her fine ship. But I'm so sorry. I'm so sorry. Like I took a picture with him. Yeah. Hope you're not zooming in. How are you? I feel like you're literally in my face. Don't worry. But yeah guys, I'm just gonna have something quick. Nothing too deep. Low-key so tired. I can't take a nap right now. But like I just want people to look at me and take a nap. Because like I don't have social anxiety or anything anymore. So I could just take a nap now and wait for my food to come. But like really? Yeah man guys. My phone's literally off. My phone's off and I don't know. So I'm off now. water. Watch the road, both sides. It's gonna kick people out of tents.
Yeah, good tents.
It is. So guys, we're going to the Uber now. Going back to our hotel.
If you're indicating I'm late,
It is late because last year they did the same thing. They did the same thing to tents and Paula last year, where like they did rubber bullets.
Oh, the handles at the plane.
So guys, this is the next day. We just came from breakfast. And yeah, I think we're gonna go to the beach today. I don't know what the plan is. But yeah, we'll see what the day has in store for us.
Yes. It's where's the wife person?
Osinez bad kosti support for G.
You wanna be close, need your love, give me those, yeah, need you here, never letting go, I just need you closer. I just need you closer. I see you every day, but still I feel you in my head. I need that body close to me to make me feel okay. Yeah, you're the only one, I didn't wanna run away. I just need you closer. Tell me, do you really wanna do this? Baby, show me that we really got a chance right now, do we? I've been dissing for a minute now, but if you love me, I just need you closer. I need you to stay, I want you to play. Listen to me say, never be the same. Don't be complicated, don't drive me insane. Get up on the plane, nobody else can feel this more than me. Come be my bride to be. And when you overseas, I can't believe I let you free. I need you here tonight, don't make me ask you twice. I know you feel the same, so let's just reunite. You want wanna feel close. Let's try us one more time. Give me those that ain't shit here, never letting go. I just need you closer. I just need you closer. Tell me, do you really wanna do this, baby? Show me that we really got a chance right now, do we? I've been dissing for a minute now, but if you love me, I need you to stay.
Hi, please hold.
Okay, guys.
Hi, please hold.
Whoa. Okay, guys, now we're leaving. Anyways, guys, it's us going. We're going to the beach now. I'm wearing low-rise jeans and a crop top. Yeah, Mo's taking it already. Bro, did you have to scream?
So I went breaks instead.
Mo forgot to take a plastic with snacks. It was literally on the bed. Like he couldn't take it. So now we're waiting. And it's just taking so much time.
Back to live your way. Go to myway.co's and get a quote today. My Cashback is a feature on qualifying products paid after 2 claim-free years and all premiums paid. MyWay is a licensed non-life insurer and FSP. T's and C's apply.
You wanna feel close. Need your love, give me those that need you here, never letting go. I just need you closer. I just need you closer. I see you every day, but still I feel you in my head. I need that body close to me to make me feel okay. Yeah, you're the only one, I didn't wanna run away. I just need you closer. Tell me, do you really wanna do this, baby? Show me that we really got a chance right now, do we? Dissing for a minute now, but if you love me, I need you to stay. I want you to play. Listen to me say, never be the same. Don't be complicated, don't drive me insane. Get up on the plane. Nobody else can feel this more than me. Come be my bride to be. And when you overseas, I can't believe I let you free. I need you here tonight. Don't make me ask you twice. I know you feel the same, so let's just reunite. You wanna be close. Let's try us one more time. Give me those that ain't shit here, never letting go. I just need you closer. I just need you closer. Tell me, do you really wanna do this, baby? Show me that we really got a chance right now, do we? I've been dissing for a minute now, but if you love me, I need you to stay. I want you to play. Listen to me say, never be the same. Don't be complicated, don't drive me insane. Get up on the plane. I just need you close. I see you every day, but still I feel you in my head. I need that body close to me to make me feel okay. Yeah, you're the only one, I didn't wanna run away. I just need you close. You wanna be close. Need your love, give me those that need you here, never letting go. I just need you closer. I just need you closer.
So now, just trying to focus now. Which one? The one I took a picture with yesterday.
Oh, it's him.
Yeah. Why would I say hi? He can also say hi to me. It's not like he doesn't recognize me.
I'm not jailer.
Where? He's not. He's so chopped. If I can. No, it's not. Our vision is bad. Camera, point at me.
What?
So yeah, we're at the beach now. As I remember. Hi. How are you? So guys, we're at the beach now. Yeah. We're at the beach, and like I don't know what's the time. We don't know the time because our phone's not with us. Well, My phone's away. But like, yeah, we're at the beach now. We're just chilling. We're just chilling, and yeah, here's Mo. Hello. Yeah.
I'm not alive.
Okay, somewhere there.
The shot tag.
What?
Okay, the shots.
Because the thing is, you know what happened? Yeah?
Like it's a video. Like
Yeah, my YouTube channel. It's my YouTube channel.
Mama apa film kan?
Really? You know, yesterday, I was home at Barks, so I was trying to tell him, but I couldn't pay attention to him. So at Barks, I'm walking, and he's like, hi. And then he's like, where did you guys come from? They're like, no, we just came from our room now, hotel room, like here. But he's like, don't you guys want me to fill up the room? Then I was like, hi, we're already full in the room. Switch off the video.
The cameraman. The cameraman never dies. The cameraman never dies. Thank you.
So we came here around maybe.
This is why we don't switch off the camera.
You know what? Because dad was like, you guys never stay home. Why are you not home? No. And we're like, well, no, we're just gonna go to the beach. Like, we're not gonna go to any house today because like PK's live. Always like there's a bride or there's a party. So like, yeah. Oh yeah, there's a PK inside and my cousin's friend. This is Rwanda. Then this is Tayana.
I will go pick a look.
Good. Nice to meet you. Mihle and Mihle. So, Mihle and Mihle.
Yeah.
You guys go to camera.
Yeah.
I know. Is it premature?
No, we're out. All of us.
Is it premature?
Yeah. No, guys, let me explain. You see what happened? You see what happened? Okay. So once I'm just walking with Mo, my cameraman. I'm just walking with him. Yeah, even Kate talking about
During this moment, I'm thinking that Mihle is really insane. So when she tells me, I'm just like, she's telling her story, and I'm just like, I'm so scared because she keeps repeating the same thing over and over again. And I'm sorry, it was a really emotional moment for me.
He winks at me.
I get like this when I'm at these settings and Kylie, do you think my makeup's fine?
Okay. Just make it obvious from looking at. There's no one else around me. It's just me and him. I'm like, okay, shit, he's working at me. Okay, I walk, Okay. Then I'm walking, and then he stops me, and he's like, it's fate, something, we'll see each other again. I'm like, hi, Bo, and stuff. Okay, sure. He even witnessed by the bar later. Okay, he's like, something. He's talking about how, like, just yesterday we were in the same school. Now we're meeting each other again. Like, it's supposed to be us.
Just yesterday.
And then like, now we're by the bar about to leave. PK was trying to order something last minute. He's like, he's actually holding on to me and he's like, we shouldn't leave. Ask Mo, tell them what happened. Mo, tell them.
The vape guy?
No, the guy with the round glasses, the light skin.
Oh.
Please tell them.
Oh.
YouTuber.
Okay, let's go. Mo, tell them. Mo, they don't know.
I'm a cameraman, chief. Leave me alone.
Tell them, they don't know.
What's it? He basically was just everywhere. Like everywhere she was, he was there. And then eventually, she was leaving, and then just like, yeah, you must just tell me when you're leaving,
Yeah, we're going now. And it's her birthday today. Yes.
That's Paul. I'm 19, guys.
So like, he was holding my hand like this, He didn't want to let go, and he was like, nah, text me on IG, what. And I was like, I don't actually remember your name, so you should just text me yourself, and I'll see. And then he gives me a hug, and he's like, no, give me a proper hug. It was a long hug, and then we literally touched, like he literally holding onto my hand, didn't want to let go. His friends were gone that time. He just standing there. And I was like, nah, I'm going with my cousin. And then I pointed at PK. Then he wanted to talk to PK and ask PK to go, and then to not go. So now I'm like, nah, it's fine, don't talk to him. Like Mo is literally watching everything, he's quiet. Let's get
Guys, tell us what in God.
That's my cameraman.
Tell us what in God.
Like, yeah, guys.
Guys, tell us what in God. Guys, no.
You wanna be close, need your love, give me those, yeah, need you here, never letting go, I just need it, don't drive me insane, get up on the plane, nobody else can feel this more than me, come be my bride to be, and when you overseas, I can't believe I let you free, I need you here tonight, don't make me ask you twice, I know you feel the same, so let's just reunite, you wanna be close, let's try us one more time, give me those, yeah, need you here, never letting go, I just need closer, I just need closer. Tell me, do you really wanna do this, baby? Show me that we really got a chance right now, do we? I've been dissing for a minute now, but if you love me, yeah, I need you to stay, I want you to play, listen to me say, never be the same, don't be complicated, don't drive me insane, get up on the plane, I just need you close. I see you every day, but still I feel you in my head, I need that body close to me to make me feel okay, yeah, you're the only one, I didn't wanna run away, yeah, you're the only one, I just need you close, you wanna be close, need you.
So guys, right now we're at the beach and like we're just chilling right now, chill vibes, and yeah, so like yeah. So I don't know. Is it Jeff? Yeah. Yeah. Is it Jeff? Please can you walk us to the bathroom?
No, I try to keep up the content.
I will. Is it Jeff? Please walk us to the bathroom. I wanna go. So guys, I wanna go to the bathroom now. And I need the bathroom like real bad. Should I just walk fast out? Been holding it.
Yes, that's
So yeah, guys. The time is 6. It's like 3 minutes until 6. We are going to the bathroom.
What's 1 plus 6? What's 1 plus 5?
1 plus 5.
Yeah.
6.
Yeah.
6, 7. So now it's later on. Here's Jack.
Hi guys.
You guys can remember him.
Yeah.
This is Tayanda. This is Tayanda. Yeah. One of my cousin's friends. And then who else? Who else is in the video? On my YouTube channel. Hi guys. My chest hurts like crazy.
The chest hurts, bros. Now make
You
sure.
lose yourself. No one knows you here.
Well, I land as you all. Let's stay that way. Let's stay that way.
Introduce yourself.
Okay, because she's forcing me and she's begging me literally. So, my name is Gongs. But like my real name is Luanda.
Okay, so guys, now we're at the beach. We're still at the beach.
Hi.
We're still at the beach and like
Why you? But yeah, man, take it back.
we're just standing in the lights. Sitting on the beach. At the Jack, my YouTube channel is content.
Guys,
We're at the beach still. Beach, guys.
we outside. Hi guys, Ace.
I ran away from the camera.
Jack.
This is Ace from Hudson, Jack's friend. So this is my YouTube channel. If you didn't know, let's take a proper picture. Hey guys, so now it's like, what's the time? It's like 8:30 now. I woke up like 2 hours ago, like I think 2 hours ago, if not 1 hour ago. But yeah, they're all still sleeping. I was a bit sick yesterday, kind of, you know, and low-key I still am, but like not as bad as yesterday. I was so sick yesterday, guys. It was so disgusting. Like, it was so disgusting how sick I was. But another day, another dollar, days in the life, you know. Things happen. Just gotta stand up again and carry on moving. Anyways, I'm low-key really tired. I'm not gonna lie to you. Low-key really tired. And yeah, I'm gonna quickly take another power nap. Try and force myself to sleep. Cause like, I don't know. Yesterday at the beach, I actually saw like, well, I realized that I actually know a lot of people. Like, I really know a lot of people. Because there was so many people I knew there. And I spoke to some people that others I didn't really speak to. Yeah. Today, we're chilling, man. We're going back home. Gonna leave the hotel soon. Yeah. Pretty calm, pretty relaxed. Thing is, I wish I could get some water, but like, they finished the water. They literally finished all the water. So guys, now we are leaving the room. We're gonna go eat breakfast. And then we're gonna come back and fetch our things and then like properly leave and go back home. So yeah. Guys, well, yesterday was so much fun, but at the same time, I just like was so off. But yeah, the cameraman loved it because he was recording and taking pictures of everything. The cameraman doesn't know when to stop.
Baby photo and
and then cheers. Cheers to what age? So yeah. You guys must be wondering, is it just me and the cameraman? No, there's these two guys who are here too. They don't want to be on camera. So now it's just awkward when I'm the only one with the camera and they're walking far away. Especially, look, now PK is gone. He's literally far away from us. So, how are you visible if the camera's facing this way? So, I've been talking so much with the shit. But yeah, guys, I saw some fine shit yesterday. He's everywhere. But yeah, guys, it's pretty chilled. Another day, another dollar. Going out my system. No, PK hates. He hates. I think she grates his tooth. Grates your tooth.
Woolworths Cafe.
Keep it on me. Like, avoid.
I'm gonna make you feel special today. Everyone's gonna think you're special today.
Guys, we're here at Wimpy and we're gonna have breakfast now because like we didn't eat at the hotel. We decided not to. And then like at Woolworths it was like full, so we just came to Wimpy instead to make it easier for ourselves. And like, yeah, I'm always been recording the whole time. People are looking at us weird, and I was also wearing shades at some point, so it made it worse. Wearing shades, but I took them off as soon as we got inside, because like I don't want that to imagine that. Especially already, so I said told Mo to take the thing off because someone was covering their face like this. So yeah guys, it's just another chill day as usual. Nothing planned. We're just gonna stay home today. Monday reset. Sunday was supposed to be the reset, but instead it's Monday. It's so full here at the mall, guys. It's overstimulating me right now. And it's so hot. I swear, like. Anyways guys, don't forget to like, subscribe and comment on what content you guys would like to see. And like PK is buying some stuff, so the only reason I came to this aisle is because like I just don't want people in the background, because like there's lots of people, so it's like easier for me to film. So we just came, we came from Wimpy, and then we walked past the ice store, and then we went to withdraw some cash, and then now we're here because like we didn't go to the Woolworths cafe. We went to the guy literally, because my sister was holding the camera, so he literally like looked at me, he stopped and looked at me. So but yeah guys, we ate breakfast, now like we're fine. Now I'm gonna go find my cousin, and yeah, I won't film, I'll probably just film like at the end by the tail. Okay, stop the camera. No, sis.
Why?
We actually did. We took it as a joke. Because my friends used to joke about it.
To drop someone.
No. And they also joke about that place.
Partake.
Yeah, well, I mean, there is Ashley there.
But they're actually scared of dying.
Why are you scared? Why are you scared of something you don't know?
It's something we can be prevented.
Nope, you can't.
Guys, so now we're here at News Cafe. The service could be better. It could be way better. What do you think of the service? It could be better, right? Yeah, it could be way better.
Out of 10. 3.
Anyways, so like now I've had my drink already. This is my second drink. This is my second drink. Oh, I'm being looked at again. It's so fucking annoying. Like, why can't people just understand that there's a camera? It's just a camera. It's not like I'm recording them, so I don't know what they're looking at. I'm literally, guys, I'm so overstimulated right now. I'm so overstimulated. I'm so annoyed. I just want to go and leave. Like, I'm so overstimulated. I've really lost energy. They couldn't charge my phone. The food is taking forever. The drinks took forever already. Yeah. So, yeah, I hope the things hurry up actually. And I think I see a fine shit here. I think I see a fine shit. And it's like one of my old fine shits. But anyways. No, you looked at me after I said fine shit. What do you mean? I know one of these people here. Thing is, he walked past.
Say something. What's the word of the night?
He walked past and looked at me. I think he recognizes me. I swear, he probably thought I looked familiar or something. He's like, we follow each other on IG. Huh? Yeah. Huh? No. He's out of high school. Edit that out. Don't see where it says something out of high school.
Crazy business.
But yeah, guys, it's just chill vibes. Done? What? So we're going back home now. What are you looking at?
Are we done?
6, 7. Hey, man.
Yes.
Hey guys, it's time for me to sleep now. It's literally time for me to sleep. I'm so tired. Like, I'm so tired. It's 12 a.m. now.